this is the system survey and planning. All right, if you have your project with you, all right, this will be the first part that you're going to see. So over here is, let me just review through, all right, There is 2 farming community and 1 processing village. So you're going to have 2 farming. All right, there's this thing. All right, can you just look at here? There's farm, and then the processing. So over here, I highlighted to you all the point. These are all examples, all right. But the main thing is over here, right? The main thing is, okay. The main thing, all right. The main thing is, I don't know if it's inside here or not. Let me just see. Yeah, over here, the problem. All right, the problem over here. These are the problems. You need to access them. They are already inside there, right? What is your role is, you need to read this. You need to read this report over here, and make sure that you go into detail in your own way. All right, over here is just a guideline saying that they have this problem, that problem, but it is general. So how are you going to specify the problem? How are you going to say that in this case, for example, low productivity, then how are you going to solve this? Like what I say, you can introduce the IoT. All right, over here maybe you have limited technology. Where's the costing? All right, that's a part where you do. Over here, maybe you can develop a system over here. All right, system plus costing embedded. All right, costing in where there's 2 parts that you're going to solve. There will be first part on the farm, second part on the processing. So your project, all right, you should identify. From here you should have a clear scope. Pull out the problem that you think you can solve from the document review. All right, you identified up the needs. Then identify your project scope. All right. Then do the objective, all right, create your objectives, and do the preliminary feasibility test. And these are sample of framework that you can have. And over here is some reflective questions. Over here is your individual component, all right? Individual component, you remember in your framework, in the project, there's the individual component, right? You need to keep track of your meeting records. The best is like this, all right? You come into a group and then you record your conversations. That's the best, all right? Record your conversations, maybe through the WebEx, all right? Through whatever means, all right? Record your conversations or your meeting. It's like you guys should treat this like real, all right? You guys should treat this like a real thing. You are now given a project. You are now given a project that you need to solve this villager's problem, which is the farming of the mushroom and processing of the mushroom. And the problem already been stated there. So you as a team, all right, as a company, all right, you are going to provide the solution. Okay, you are going to provide the solution. So how you're going to provide the solution? You need to use the framework, and then today's lesson from the 3 things that I have already highlighted. All right, it's simple as that. And that's all from